Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot to talk about with Ripple and XRP. Obviously, the price is increasing, which is very, very bullish. Going to be going over a Forbes article back in 2018 when XRP actually flipped Ethereum, and it will do it again, in my opinion. Now, we've got the Ripple Swell conference coming up as well. That's sending XRP up 31%. While the $770 million fine could be trimmed, obviously in the case with Ripple and the SEC as well. I hope it does, because the SEC does not deserve any more money. They're just absolute clowns. There are 20 Bitcoin ETFs currently trading around the world at the moment. Going to have a look at those. Brian Armstrong now talking about a profit and revenue for Coinbase, $674 million. Whoa. Charlie Munger as well says he's concerned about the recent surge in Bitcoin, maybe because he doesn't hold it, or maybe he does, maybe, who knows. Solana as well, some updates with relation to the network, adding render, RNDR, which is very, very nice. We've got why the Crypto Insider claims Ethereum's co-founders are the biggest fraudsters since Sam Bankman-Fried, or bigger than Sam Bankman-Fried. This has all got to do with Ethereum. Whoa, it's huge. I put this up on my X page. Go and have a look at that. Trader who nailed the 2018 Bitcoin bottom predicts Ethereum and Solana rallies. Very, very bullish on Solana. Going to be talking about the RBA, that's the Reserve Bank of Australia. They're going to be putting up interest rates tomorrow, another 25 basis points. How good is that? The nail in the coffin for Australian homeowners. Just keep adding on interest and just, no worries, man, because we can all afford it just before Christmas. Absolute clowns. And I'm going to be showing you my XRP skull ring. And by the way, bulls, if you want to get this bull ring, by the way, it's on my website. And this is solid silver with rubies. Very, very bullish with these red ruby eyes. I love it. The link is in the community tab. I'm going to show you. But anyway, let's get into it. Bulls, I'm going to show you my day trading bots with 3 commas and OKX. Very, very bullish stuff. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that, all right? So it's down there. Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my #1 golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose, all right? And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, so be careful. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do something a little bit differently today. I'm just going to go straight to CoinMarketCap at the beginning of the video. I think that's very, very bullish. Now, again, this is the bull ring. Here is the link, by the way, to the website. You can go grab yourself one if you wish. There is 40% off my entire website. This is bullish stuff. No BS. Go check it out. There it is right there. And I will be wearing this to Oz CryptoCon. I believe it's this week. This weekend, so make sure you grab yourself one of those and we can get a picture of it, all right? Now, XRP... well, this will happen again, bulls. It really will. This is a Forbes article going back to 2018, and that is XRP flipping Ethereum. We're going to go through that in a moment. Keep scrolling down. Top altcoins today. Again, we're doing quite nice, I should say. Let me just bring this up. I don't know if this was today. I can't remember exactly. I do apologize. Gas, Telcoin, Neo, Nextra, and Rose were doing well yesterday. I didn't do a video. I put my 3 commas trading bots up. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap. I'm not going to go to Coinspot, because I think this is more important. Now, we've got top altcoins in the portfolio: Neo, Nextra, XRP, Kin, XPR, Proton, Hero, XDC, Sologenic, and the Graph. Very, very nice. And we've also got Bitcoin trading at $34,000 US today, which is nice. Ethereum's at 1,800. XRP up 7.9% to 67 cents. Incredible stuff, bulls. Can't wait. And Solana's still strong, I should say, at $40 US today, which is really, really nice. All right. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles and the Wall Street Bull University. Guys, this is growing every day. Thank you very much to every single one of you. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my futures grid trading bots that you can copy trade directly in the Patreon. My full list of 3 commas bots which are making me gains. Like the whole thing, you can copy me directly, and it's just been incredible. And more importantly, my dividend investing. And by the way, today is Monday the 6th of November, and it's dollar cost averaging night. So when Wall Street opens at around about midnight Australian time, I will be dollar cost averaging into my stocks, which again, that goes up in the Patreon as well. 1,379 posts. I put up my full altcoin list every single day when I'm half asleep, having my espresso in the morning. It's usually around about 6 or 10 in the morning, just depends when I get some time, but it does go up there every single day. Very, very bullish community. Thank you to those 597 people. You guys absolutely rock. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're all getting some value. And by the way, I did respond to everybody in the direct messages today, so that's one thing I really love about the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University, is I can speak to everyone directly in there, okay? And I do this for a reason, and it's mainly because it would be considered financial advice what I'm doing in here. So go check it out. Let's have a look at 3 commas today. They are an official partner of the channel. Now, this is the web, I should say the web app or the application on iOS. You can use this on any phone you have. There are referral links below for this as well. Feel free to sign up to that if you wish. Please do your own research. Now, I've got a significant amount of bots set up here, which you can literally copy me in the Patreon. Everything is set up there. I'm trading on multi-bots. I've got short bots, single pairs, long and short. It's been absolutely wild. Now, again, if I go to my deals at the moment, let me just bring this up so you can see this. This has been making me consistent gains trading the market. Yes, they do get liquidated, okay? I trade with leverage. I don't recommend it, but this is what we're doing right here, okay? So you got active deals at the moment. There are a significant amount of deals. Now, if I was to day trade each one of these, you would not have any time in day. And this is why I love 3 commas and why I'm using this to day trade the markets and just slowly build up my portfolio, which is really, really nice. Now, quickly, let's go to OKX so you can have a look at that. On the day, I'm up 505 Aussie dollars, which is nice. 2.69% in the day. On the week, I'm up 8%. That's 1,425 Australian dollars. On the month, 32%. That's $4,659 on the month. And on the 6 months right here, I'm at $18,898. That's 1,063%. Okay. Now, with linking 3 commas to OKX, very, very bullish exchange. They are an official partner. And the reason why I partner with them is because I can trade with leverage here in Australia. Every other exchange like Binance, KuCoin, you have to be an accredited investor. It's really freaking annoying. So this is the reason why I use OKX. Now, having a look here, you can see the bots that are trading for me at the moment. I've got 257 positions open or open orders and 127 positions open up at the moment, trading both short and long positions. It's absolutely wild. And these things trade for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, just quickly, I did put a video up yesterday on 3 commas on how to set this up. However, the full trading bots that I'm personally using go up in the Patreon, so you will need to join up to that. Very, very bullish community. Join up. Now, history right here, there have been a few liquidations, given the market was quiet over the weekend. However, it has picked back up. These take 1.5% profits based on the amount that I've got invested into this. And you can see right here, it has started to pick up today, which is the 6th of November, making nice gains right here. Everyone loves to see these green gains. How nice is this? Small profits, but it adds up. This is all today. All today, bulls. This is all today on long positions because the market's picking back up. This one I got liquidated out of. It does happen, and I do not recommend trading with leverage. Please be careful with this stuff. I found a sweet spot between 10 and 15. That is max. Anything above that, you just, risking your capital, okay? That's what happens. Now, bulls, join up in the Patreon is linked below. Now, on OKX, they do have incredible built-in software on the exchange itself. If I go to the bots, I have futures grids trading bots, which again are trading with significant leverage. I'm down on this one on Casper. It's down negative 2.25%. I'm trading with 50x leverage. I'm well and truly prepared to lose this, by the way, so be careful. Chainlink, I'm up 19%. On TRB, 310. It is out of the price range, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just going to leave it. WorldCoin, I'm up 135%. This started on the 25th of September, which is nice. Optimism, 16.32% here, 8.1 USDT, all right? So these are the kind of bots that have got basically on OKX, which, again, you can use at your own discretion. There are many different bots. There's spot grid trading bots, futures DCA right here, martingale strategy, which basically means it's going to continue doubling up your investment as the price drops. So you're basically building that up. A spot DCA martingale as well. An infinity grid, a moon grid. You've got a recurring buy, smart portfolio, the dip sniper, peak sniper, the arbitrage as well, an iceberg, and TWAP. There's so many bots on OKX. It's one of the best exchanges on the planet. I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring me, because everything else I've used them all, by the way. They're all just, yeah, not interested. Anyway, moving on, bulls. Let's go back to the Wall Street Bull University. Link is below. There is a whole range of information I've been posting up there all day. Crypto bubbles quickly. We have NEO. I'm very, very bullish on NEO. It is like a Chinese-based Ethereum. And I've been dollar cost averaging into this one as well. It's up 17% on the day, 44 on the week, and 87% on the month. It's at $13 US at the moment. And I can honestly say I was buying this significantly higher from what it is now. When I look at this market, by the way, everything is on sale. Okay? Just putting that out there. XDC, let's have a look. 3% on the day, currently trading at 5 cents USD, I should say. It's up 11 on the week, 6 on the month, 72% on the year. You would never get that in any traditional investment. I don't care what anyone says. Doesn't exist. XRP as well, 7.6% on the day, 20 on the week, 27 on the month, and 37% on the year at 67 cents. Still incredibly undervalued if you when you think about it. Now, KuCoin, not this one, guys. There is a coin that's been going parabolic. Let's have a look on the month. On the year, I should say. Casper. This is insane, but it's up 1,478% on the year, which is just madness. It's 6 cents USD at the moment. So I've been having a few people talk about that. I should do a bit of a dive into that, but we'll get into that another time. Ripple and XRP overtakes Ethereum as the second largest crypto on CEO's bullish bet. This is in the 26th of September 2018. I know it's an old article, but it has happened before. People need to realize this, okay? It has happened. It will happen again. And XRP has powered back into the retake its position as the world's second largest crypto by total market cap, a spot it briefly took from Ethereum at the end of last week before falling back. So it did happen, did flip Ethereum, and it was like 50 cents at the time, I believe. But Ripple has risen more than 100% so far this month as investors bet it will become the de facto way the world's established banks and financial services firms move money across borders. Very, very bullish. Now, scrolling down, you can see the chart, the screenshot from CoinMarketCap. There it is right there. This is no BS. You can look it up yourself, okay? XRP was ranked the number 2 crypto at 56 cents USD. Bitcoin at the time was $6,534. That would have just been insane had you have put capital into that at that time. Absolutely wild. Ethereum back then was $216. So this is what I talk about. This was only in 2018. Ethereum was $216. But Solana is primed to do a similar thing to what Ethereum is doing, back in the previous bull market. So the same run up. And I mean, I think Ethereum peaked at around about, correct me if I'm wrong, like a few $1,000s in the previous bull market. So in actual fact, let's just have a quick look at this because I want to get this accurate. Now, let's just go to CoinMarketCap. Someone is slamming doors in my office. I don't know why, but 2018, let's have a look. Okay, so 2019, it was only a few $100s. Then we have the 2021 bull market. Ethereum peaked at $4,810. Holy moly. There you go. Okay, so there's accurate information. If Solana does that, look out. We're all just going to be, wow, that's incredible. Now, obviously, the Ripple Swell event is taking place very, very soon. And obviously, it's sent XRP up 31% today. But the crypto XRP has demonstrated notable resilience amid market volatility, making a significant 31% surge over the past 3 weeks in mid-October. This upswing led to an early August high of 64 cents, underlying the potential for tangible gains for investors. Bullish. In the upcoming Ripple Swell conference in Dubai, scheduled for November 8 and 9, is anticipated to have a profound impact on XRP's price, despite Ripple's disconnection from the digital asset. Two different things, by the way. And the event is expected to catalyze significant announcements that could potentially lead to bullish expectation in the market. Maybe an IPO? Interesting. And investors who entered the market mid-October eyeing tangible returns might consider offloading their holdings. This action could trigger a potential surge and redistribution of XRP. Further driving its market performance, the anticipation surrounding the Ripple Swell conference and its potential impact on XRP underscores the dynamic interplay between event-driven news and crypto market movements. Just putting this out there, if XRP goes parabolic in the next bull run, I'm at least cashing out 50%. Okay, I will, and I'm going to be holding on to the rest of it for a long time because This is just the beginning. Now, we've got this $770 million fine, and Jeremy Hogan, there he is right there. Absolute legend, by the way. And thank you to Jeremy for recommending a couple of cowboy hats as well. The Stetson. And by the way, a lot of people are saying the Stetson. So I'm going to get myself a Stetson. I have to order it from the United States because in Australia, we just don't have it. We have a Kubra, which I do own, by the way. And I'll be getting myself a Stetson. That's proper right there. Anyway, Hogan's most recent take on this. Legend. In his recent tweet on X platform, Hogan stressed that the key arguments that the Ripple could use a lower the damage sought by the SEC. They could lower them right now. And these arguments are based on the recent case and law and specific circumstances of Ripple's XRP. Hogan points out the disgorgement, if that's how you pronounce it, sought by the SEC, which is recovery profits made from the alleged wrongdoing, should be based on Ripple's net profits, not the gross amount. So net and gross, two different things, okay? The distinction is crucial as it allows Ripple to deduct business expenses, potentially slashing the sum significantly. True. Moreover, Hogan emphasized that the only sales within the United States nexus fall under the SEC's jurisdiction, introducing a nexus question that could further limit the scope of any financial penalty. That's true, by the way. You know, when you think about it, they're basically going after everything as a whole when they should just be going after the United States because that is their jurisdiction. Shouldn't be going after global sales of XRP because it doesn't fall within their jurisdiction. True. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, let's just wait for this to load. But XRP sees steady growth amid Ripple's global success and regulatory advancements. Crypto asset XRP closed at 61 cents on Saturday, marking a gain of 0.51% following the previous rise to 1.09%. Positive trend for the crypto is associated with the global adoption of XRP and its successes of Ripple, particularly influenced by the programmatic sales court ruling. Very, very nice. Now, you know, you got to think that Ripple is still making gains everywhere around the world because of their partnerships, which is just growing significantly. I've done videos before where I've showed the full list of partners, which is wild, and includes some of Australia's biggest banks as well, more to the point. And I can't wait to see what's coming in the future. Big things, guys. Now, these are 20 active spot Bitcoin ETFs worldwide with a combined value of $4.16 billion. And the emergence of spot Bitcoin ETFs signifies a shift in the crypto industry with global asset accumulation of $4.16 billion. Canada and Europe, particularly Germany, are leading in embracing spot Bitcoin ETFs, showcasing progressive regulatory stances. And experts predict a significant market surge with US approval potentially injecting around $155 billion into Bitcoin market. Absolutely wild. Now, we've got these ones right here. We've got Canada leading the way. You've got Germany, we've got Jersey as well, Brazil, Liechtenstein, Guernsey right here, Australia at 12 million, and the Cayman Islands. Well, there's going to be a lot in the Cayman Islands because that's basically a tax haven when you think about it. But moving down, we have the ETC Group physical Bitcoin launched in June 2020, now boasts $802 million in assets, making it the second largest spot Bitcoin ETF globally. Moreover, 7 other European ETFs find their homes in tax-friendly jurisdictions, of course, further cementing Europe's evolving crypto-friendly ecosystem. There you go. So there are 20 at the moment. That's a lot. Moving down, we have Coinbase expecting a revenue of $674 million, which is just nuts. But in the company's Q3 earnings call, Armstrong said that the blockchain and crypto are now transforming people's lives just as the internet did 2 decades ago. Bullish. And on-chain is the new online. The internet was and is a game-changing technology and that redefined our modes of communication, business and social interaction. It broke down barriers, democratized access to information, and made knowledge universally accessible. Blockchain and crypto are doing the same thing today. And re-decentralization of the web and the introduction of new building block ownership. Instead of just reading and writing on traditional internet, on-chain you can now read and write and own. That is nice. And on-chain is about digital assets, broader access to financial services, and even changes how we think about identity, governance, artwork, and non-financial services. That is a lot of revenue, by the way. $600 million is crazy. Charlie Munger, a very, very traditional investor. He's concerned about the recent price surge in Bitcoin. When asked if Bitcoin's rapidly rising price was a cause of concern, Munger replied, "Of course it worries me." He explained his basic ideas, which he said he believed every educated person should have. These ideas include teachings of Adam Smith, the father of modern economics, who emphasized the importance of individuals taking better care of their own property than that of others. And he's saying Munger underlined the important role of currencies in facilitating exchange and advancing civilization. As far as we know, the only way to go from hunter-gatherer to civilization that has ever worked is to have strong currency. He said the currency can take many forms, he noted, from seashells to corn kernels to gold coins and banking systems, pledges as seen in the United States and the UK. However, Munger expressed reservations about the creation of the artificial currency, like Bitcoin. What is cash, man? He likened it to throwing a stinky marble at a long-standing recipe that works well for many people. Munger's comments reflect his long-held negative views on Bitcoin and other cryptos. Come on, man. Come on. Now, Solana's welcoming Render Network, that's RNDR, the ticker, in incentive right here program, which is very, very nice. And it's nice to see them actually making gains. And Render Network is migrating to Solana, a blockchain known for its efficiency and high transaction speeds. Render Network announced the rollout of a comprehensive incentive program targeted at node maintainers right here. And it's a strategic move, highlights Render's dedication to technological innovation and its aim to serve its expanding community better. Nice. Now, moving on, we have the most insane thing I want to show you guys. And yes, this is going to be a long video, but why is Crypto Insider claiming that Ethereum's co-founders are bigger frauds, 1,000 times bigger than Sam Bankman-Fried? This is wild. Check this out right here. But this is wild right now. Now, if Ethereum is a fraudulent elephant in the room, in plain sight, 1,000 times bigger than SBF. This is Nerioff right here, a point. And he's making some pretty full-on claims right here, but it's just insane. Have a look at this. I want to get down to this, all right? He basically claims and implied that Ethereum's executives likely bribed high-ranking government officials, giving the project an unfair advantage in the crypto market. The bribery claim is that Ethereum executives gave the United States Securities and Exchange Commission hush money to turn a blind eye to the network's ICO, and thus not lodge securities violation charges. Now, all in all, the credibility of Nerioff's allegations isn't helped by his own reputation and often stretch the truth. Well, we don't know exactly, but I have a funny suspicion this has happened. It's clear as daylight to me anyway, because, I mean, the SEC is pushing Ethereum like crazy, and that would need a significant amount of capital anyway. Now, there's a trader that's pushing for Solana and Bitcoin, saying that they are going to rally. I've been speaking about Solana for a very long time, and yes, I do believe that's going to happen, and I'm dollar cost averaging into it. It's not financial advice, though. Now, moving on, let's go to the buy flow. We've got money going into Ethereum, XRP, of course, Bitcoin. We also have Chainlink, Arbitrum. We have Near Protocol, Pepe. I'm just trading that, Optimism, and Gala, which is nice. Now, the Reserve Bank is planning on raising interest rates tomorrow by another 25 basis points. That's 0.25%, which is going to be, in my opinion, the nail in the coffin for Aussie home loans and Aussie home owners. Okay, it's just insane that they're doing this just before Christmas as well, and it's just ridiculous. And you know, people need to realize that the prices of homes these days are significantly higher than 20 years ago, and it's just getting to the point where it's unsustainable, in my opinion. A lot of fixed rate mortgages are coming off as well. People are coming off from, 1.5% interest rates to now 8 plus on some instances, if not 6 to 7. How is that sustainable, man? Like, the financial services guys in running the government at the moment, pull your heads in. Honestly, you're gonna destroy people before Christmas, and a lot of people are gonna lose their homes. This needs to stop immediately. This is my XRP skull ring, by the way, bulls. Go check it out. Yes, it's that price there, and you can get 40% off. This is no BS. These are real silver and real aquamarine stones used in these pieces. So go check it out. Bullish as anything, and you will not regret it, and you will love it. They're serious pieces of jewelry. And coming up to this bull market, I think I'm going to be definitely wearing mine very, very soon. My one's actually in production at the moment, just putting that out there. Anyway, let's go to X quickly. Let's have a look. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you to those followers, those 5,600 plus people. You guys absolutely rock. Have a listen to Dave Ramsey calling Bitcoin stupid. Have a listen to this.
We'll take it from you as value. Just like that paper has no value, except the extent someone else will take it. So Bitcoin is the Iraqi dinar of the internet. And I know intelligent people who, while they're intelligent, are not wise, that have put a bunch of money in Bitcoin. But it's a really good way to turn $1 million into nothing. To play in unstable currencies that they're, and here's what you have. Let me tell you what Bitcoin is. It's WWW. It's the wild, wild west. You're back to the Western banking system. Because all of a sudden, one of these computer nerds just flips a switch. The whole freaking thing's gone. It has no value. They just got completely ripped off and it took them down. And
wow, man, that's just nuts. And Bitcoin at the time when this was filmed was $550. Mind blown, man. It's unbelievable. Kuwait finance house calls Ripple a world-class firm amid partnership for instant cross-border services. Need I say any more? Moving down, we've got XRP and HBAR trending today on X. Very, very nice. Now, we've got Uphold CEO. Have a listen to this, Bulls.
Which is, as regulation is now finally becoming clearer in the UK, Europe in particular, in places like Singapore and Dubai, as the regs become clearer, you're going to get greater enterprise adoption. You're also going to get greater adoption from the traditional finance world. So we've now been approached by several banks who are interested in white labeling our service. Again, they don't want our wallet. They don't want their customers to have to go through KYC twice, but they do want to plug in and access certain of our core services. You know, that's, of course, is there's a slightly different point, which is, as regulation is now finally becoming clearer in the UK.
So essentially you've got institutions now wanting to white label. And for those of you who don't know what that means, it's basically like using Uphold as their own software kind of thing, which is just crazy when you think about it. Michael Saylor, looking glum, but he's definitely going to be one of the smartest men in the world, in my opinion. Foresees Bitcoin's value potentially increasing 10x, citing the 2024 halving event, spot Bitcoin ETFs, and reducing selling pressure for miners. That's true. Now, we've got the chairman of Vanguard. I've been speaking about Vanguard for a while, Bulls, and, you know, they're basically saying that they don't want anything to do with Bitcoin. And they're saying right here, the firm won't join the Bitcoin ETF race as Vanguard claims to be focused on asset classes with intrinsic value and capable of generating cash flows like equities and bonds. Come on, man. This is crazy. And we've got Bitcoin is now up 111% this year. Very, very nice. I'm not going to get into that Brad Garlinghouse video, even though it's bullish. Yes, I was fired up this morning. And if you can't work it out, let me know in the comments if you can work it out, Bulls. I want to know if you guys can work it out why I haven't shown a particular thing on my video today. Now, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 74 today. And someone just bought another $1 billion worth of XRP, the fourth buy over 500 mil in the last 7 days before 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is just, wow, crazy. Anyway, let's go to CoinMarketCap, and I'm going to end up on this. And just, yes, my full-blown attention is on utility coins. I get so many questions about other alts. I'm not interested. I'm interested in utility because this is where payment rails of the future are going to be built on, and there is a lot happening on these projects. The full list is in my Patreon, by the way. Anyway, that is it, Bulls. I hope you all enjoy the video. Yes, it's a long one, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. I hope you have a good night, a good morning, good afternoon. If it's morning, Bulls, have an espresso. Join the Patreon. No BS. There's a lot of stuff in there that you guys will get value from. That's what I want to bring to people, value. All right. I will speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, Bulls. Peace out. Bye.